What is up, y'all? Another day in the books today. Red day, down $23.59. Gave back most of my profits yesterday. Today was just so choppy. I was expecting some momentum, and I was just looking for some continuation on a lot of these stocks. Just none of them have had. They were very choppy. Combined that with my jitters from drinking my coffee. I don't know why. I was just very jittery this morning. Maybe I should switch up from coffee to tea so I can stop being so jittery, because it was really affecting me, and I was just like very on edge when I was trading, and it wasn't the easiest to control myself. I was very reactive, and I was jumping in, chasing stocks, and then it would flush, and then I would get shaken out, and then just not that good. Not that good today. So we'll start the morning. Here we have FULC, 921. Doesn't want to load. Let's try. Did I trade ZEV? No, I didn't trade ZEV today. So FULC, I completely missed this here. And I didn't take my first trade until here, which this was a chase. I bought it on the break after it broke the high, thinking they were going to get continuation. Got shaken out, took a small loss there. Then into the open, completely didn't want to trade any of this. It was just very choppy. I thought we were going to see a flush first and then a rip. But we ended up seeing the rip, and then it just slowly downtrended. I thought we were going to see a bounce here. I started edging into my trade here on the break of this low because I saw it get bought up, and I thought this was going to reverse break back over VWAP and retest the highs. Didn't end up seeing that, so took a small win on that one, and then I tried buying the next candle, and then the next candle, and we were seeing some sort of movement here. Now when I was buying into this next candle up into the test of VWAP, and I thought we were going to break VWAP and keep going, but it didn't end up happening, and took another loss on that one. Right here I took a nice 40-cent per share loss, so I was down $12 on that trade. This one I made back at $1 here. This one I took another $4 loss, so that puts me at like minus 15. This one puts me down another $4, so that's like minus 19, minus 20. This one I kind of FOMO'd into this dip. I wanted to buy the dip off of the VWAP, so I saw it rip up. I thought it was going to bounce off VWAP and then continue higher. Didn't end up seeing that, and I stopped out at the bottom here at 23.18. And then here broke back up VWAP, and I tried buying the dip. No, I've tried buying this first, the open of this candle here, and I felt the momentum continuing in the stock, and then I was able to write it up for 20-cent gain, but only 10 shares, just because my win rate was very bad today, so I just didn't think I should be sizing up. But this could have been a 20-cent winner if I'd put in 40 shares, 50 shares. It could have been made back some of my loss there, but I ended up only making $2 on that. And that was it on that. And FULC, I finished down $17.30. Pretty much today, I was red right out of the. Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my fucking god! How? How did I not see this? When do I get in? Holy shit. Let's see if we get continuation on this one. That was a rip. Really, I mean, the entry was if it was just fucking buying as much as you can up on this candle before the high here. That was the entry. So right now, all I can do is the safest thing to do right now is scalp. I don't think we're going to get much continuation. It's just not the market. And I think this is it. I think it's going to fade from here. I could be wrong. But let's see. Yeah, here I got chopped up here. That we're going to see a continuation. I bought 40 shares. Small win actually on that one, on the volatility after the halt on this stock. Then tried buying the dip. It looks like 50 shares. Took a 6-cent loss on that, so minus $3. Here 20 shares, 6 cents, so it's about $1 or something. Look at that. This is dangerous. I didn't even have this up on my on my watch list of charts. If I saw it ripping up, I could have probably gotten into it before the high at 480. I mean, when you see volume like this, you want to just fucking start buying as much as you can underneath the high, because it's pretty much acting like a magnet, because shorts are constantly being squeezed out. So we gotta really wait. If it's gonna go any higher, it's gotta trap shorts again. So maybe we see a break back below 4.9, a flush, and then a quick rebuy until it goes higher. Right now, it looks like it might be trapping longs. What is it? It's already past 11 o'clock right now. I don't know. I think this is it. Completely missed it. It's alright. Today's not my day. AHPI here. 70 shares for a 2-cent gain. It's like $1.40. I thought we were going to see a big rip to 16 and higher and before fading. And so that's why after I saw this, all this green volume coming in, all these buying volume, and then I thought we were going to bounce off the VWAP and continue higher. But I ended up getting shaken out down here at 75. So that's on 10 shares, that's like an $8 loss on that one. That's terrible actually. It's like almost like, it's like maybe a 6% loss on that. It's not good. Kind of just got away from it really fast. Me and didn't end up seeing that break through 16 like I thought. So I guess, I mean, in the long run I was right, but today was just so choppy, man. And then like DYAI, let's see what it's doing. Yeah, it looks like we're trapping the longs here. Let's see if it flushes. I'm looking for a flush before 4.9, and then on the next few candles, if it can reclaim that $5 level, we could see a rip past 520. But right now, I just have to be patient. I'm really not even trying to get green anymore. I mean, this is pretty much past my... I only want to lose in one day. I don't want to lose more than one average green day. So an average green day right now, maybe 25 bucks. Yesterday I made 26, or no, the day before I made 26, and then yesterday 34. So I don't want to lose much more than $22, because it's going to take me more than one average green day to make back, and I just don't want to be... Holy shit. Oh wait, no, it's the same chart. I thought this was a different chart. On my left monitor, I have my 5-minute chart of this. Here, I have my 5-minute chart and my 1-year chart, my daily chart. And I thought that was a different chart. I was like, holy shit, something's ripping without me. I completely changed up my setup though. I have on my left monitor, I have it 2 charts linked to my main chart here of different time frames, so I can get a nice look at the time frame alignment, and it'll help me get better entries, and just give me an overlook on the different levels on higher time frames. So that's good. And then in the bottom left, I have my scanners going, and then in the middle, I have a small little window for the news, and then on the left, all the way on the left side, I have my watch list, and then on the top, I have just telling me the main stock that I'm watching right now, my main trading chart. If it's like easy to borrow, hard to borrow, and like kind of, oh shit, here we go. It's not going right now. Damn, I completely wasn't paying attention. I got a bad entry. Made like 25 cents on that one, 40 cents, something like that. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this right now. It gapped up 5 cents. Now it's pulling back below the high. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. I'm very reluctant to be trading this right now. It's 11:11. I don't even want to try. I'm not even emotionally prepared to be trading right now, just because of how much I'm in the hole. Just emotionally, if I were to take any more of a loss, it just wouldn't be good for me. Because I'm just very emotionally right now very raw emotions right now. And I'm not comfortable taking much more of a loss. Even though might be... See how choppy this is? It makes a new high, and then you can't even sell at the 25 level because the price ain't even there. It's like one order went through at 25, but the spread is still below the high. It's not a good sign at all. Momentum is weakening here. It has to trap. If it wants to keep going higher, it has to trap more shorts. It has to literally go below 4.9 and then rip back up. Because you got to get that short confidence. And then when you get that reversal, when you combine the shorts covering and the longs going buying, it really, you get that good momentum. Right now, it seems like the buying has come to an end here. Buyers are exhausted. The volume is kind of going down. Made a new high here. Let's see what happens. Still not convinced. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's see if we get a dip under. Let's see if we kiss 549, 550 and then get a dip. Let's look at the levels here. So 560 is the previous high. I think we might be able to break 560. This looks like it's where it's headed right now. This is tough because I'm not even ready to trade right now. Let's see what we get under 450. Jesus. I don't know. It's 11:15, man. Like, this type of move should happen at fucking 10 o'clock or like 9:30, 9:45. See if we get a dip here. This would be a good entry right here. I don't want to take it though, just because it's just not the time right now. And see if we get a pop through 540 and 550. No, this is screaming buy right now. Screaming buy. Take your profit, man, if you were there. And we got a reverse. Reverse. Okay, that's it for me. You know what? I just need to walk away right now. Tomorrow's a new day. Down now 21.83, so it took a little bit off. But I'll be able to recover this within one day. One good day. And we'll be back at the highs and then going back towards breaking that 1,000 level. Hopefully soon. I'm maybe like $200 off, $250 away from that. So maybe this month, next month, we'll see how momentum picks up and if we can size up into a good market. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. And I'll see you guys on future videos tomorrow for another trading recap, and then Friday hopefully for another trading recap. So see you then. Peace.